Hello! Today, me and my colleagues at JH Professional Excel Consultants will walk you through your new Excel macros enabled software. To begin, I will go through the Advanced Filter, Clear Filter, and Clear Filter criteria functions. For filter, you can use this to narrow down your search or to see certain items related to criteria entered in this yellow section. For example, if you want to see how many people or how much people spent in a certain postal code area or a certain area code using the phone number, all you need to do is type in a part of or the entire criteria that you want to search for. So for example, let's start with the postal code. So N0R. You do not need to type in the entire section if you want to see as many possibilities related to NOR. So now that we have something in the postal code section, we can go ahead and click filter. And as you can see here, it showed us all of the people who are located in NOR 1A0. You can use this to find the sum or to narrow down how much people spent from a certain section. So let's go ahead and see how much people spent in total from NOR 1A0. You just need to highlight this column and click auto sum. They spent $12,172.18. Now, delete that once you're done with the number, and to return the rest of your data, all you need to do is click Clear Filter, this orange button. And then, to clear this yellow part to the way it was before you started searching, all you need to do is click Clear Filter Criteria over here in green. And as you can see, we are back to where we started.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over our order entry form macro for the project. Order entry form is basically a way to insert a whole new line without having to go through the hassle of going all the way down and inserting individual numbers. Now let's get started here. To do the order entry form, you just simply got to click the button and scroll all the way down to new record. From here you input your customer information, which in this scenario is 1044, customer name, and we're going to say Ali H. Then we're going to go down to order ID, which would be 2744. Phone number, we're going to put 000 for now. And postal code, we're going to say AAA. Again, this is an example. And CAD price, we're going to say 2000. Product type, we're going to say auto. And by simply clicking close, you can go all the way down and find that line was inserted here in a very, very convenient and error-free way.
By using this search button here, it will help our company find an easier method to display any criteria they want in the table. For example, typing in the customer's ID will show a highlighted row of the person's information. Right here. If you wanted to search the customer's name, that will also be acceptable. It will show the blue highlighted row as well. To remove the highlighted row, the arrow will tell you what to do. By just typing in empty and then search, the highlighted row will be gone.
Another one of the macros that we were able to implement into our Lakeshore vinyl database is the create invoice macro. The create invoice macro selects one of the customers that have purchased from Lakeshore Vinyl and moves all the corresponding information into the invoice page right here. So an example I will do is the Mike John. I'll select on Mike John and click on create invoice. Now once I click on that, I can go to the invoice page, and all the information is now in its correct corresponding location. And there are some calculations here to find the tax rate as well as the amount in tax. And here is the calculations. What you could also do on this page is click on the Create PDF macro, and what this does is automatically saves a PDF to my desktop and opens it up. Just like so. This PDF can now be sent to customers or be printed off very easily. This macro is only able to work on my desktop because it is saved. It has been coded to be saved on my specific desktop. This could be viewed right here. As you can see, this is my specific desktop, and this macro has to be reprogrammed to work on your desktop. This macro is very handy.
In this part of the video, I show you how important the inventory system is for Lakeshore Vinyl. In this table, you're able to record the quantity received. In this table, you're able to record the quantity that is sold. This table shows you all the data that has been recorded in both the other two tables, and it gives you a total cost of inventory, and it shows you the amount of stock we have after you've received and sold. For example, if we were to record and received for yellow vinyl 3 rolls to be received, it would immediately show up here. It multiplies the stock by the price to give us a total inventory value. This can also be done with sales, so that same vinyl could be sold 2 of them, and immediately shows up that we have 3 received, the 2 that we have sold, and left with 1 in stock. Therefore, it multiplies the price by the stock to give us a total inventory value.